sunshine, I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, I'll be your love, I'll be your sunshine, I'll be your love, I'll be your love.
So, just in H&M Home in Regent Street, it's the flagship store in London, and they just reopened. Everything's like 20% off until Sunday. So by the time this video goes up, it might have been gone. But yeah, so yeah, they have a few new things. Some items I've seen more familiar. Some furniture pieces. You hear my review after. And yeah, just enjoy, and we'll see more stores.
Is a 2-floor store. There's a lot of bright lights, chandeliers. It's such a very nice, calm, but vibrant environment. First thing that caught my eye is this jewelry holder. I mean, look at that leaf detail. They have the gold as well, but I think the silver this time is actually really nice. And then we have these beautiful swirl, like almost like dune sands movement on this beautiful vases, and they have two different sizes. I have highlighted a few of them. Also going in the theme of swirl, they have this asymmetric candle. H&M isn't stopping there. They also have some scented candles, and this grapefruit nectar was really nice as well. And you can definitely upcycle the glass when you're done with it. But this beautiful lamp, it just looks like a waterfall. Like, if you're lucky enough to get your hands on this, get it. It's well made. And they have some nice plant pots. We're seeing more themes of circles here. They have some black and white ones. Some are bigger, some are smaller. A mix of sizes, all colors work in your outdoor area. Flower shop is actually really nice. They always have very fresh, beautiful, unique flowers. It definitely is something for everyone. Just look at it. Stunning. Stunning. So we have these blackout curtains. I definitely think they're really nice. I spoke about curtains in my IKEA video. If I'm being honest, they're in the range of the IKEA curtains. You could definitely have a look at that as well. But it's a stunning piece, similar to one of the side stools I mentioned in the IKEA video. If you're looking for something cheaper, this is stunning. This is nice. They also had marble pedestal. You can use that to, add maybe a beautiful flower vase on top of it. You can change out the decorative pieces in your home. Lamp base that I really liked. It's very sturdy. It's very tall. It gives you that grand like look. They also have some rugs. I definitely think these are beautiful. They have asymmetric rugs, and the quality of these are very good. Very, very good. Again, if you're looking for something different from the IKEA ones I showed in the IKEA video, you can get these typically in the same range competitively. Don't knock it till you try it. Just checking out a few more pieces that are new, and I'm trying to shop for myself. It's not just you guys. And they have some nice table pieces. I think they collaborated with a designer on this tablescape, which I really like. I also love hosting, so I definitely like to use the H&M store as an inspiration. They always do. So even if you're not going to buy anything in H&M Home, they definitely are a great space for inspiration, so look out for that. And I also noticed there's a lot of stripes this season. I guess that's just the summer thing as well, but specifically these colors, green seems to be the theme going on. Anyways, they have art as well in H&M Home. I liked the frames, but I wasn't really drawn to them. Maybe because of the way they were arranged in the store, but you can definitely see some beautiful, nice wood. I would just say get the wood because that's the only thing I've seen that looks a bit different from everywhere else. The darker wooden frames. They also have some nice scented candles, diffusers. The sunlit neroli was beautiful as well. And oh my god, yes, more on these. So if you like flowers and you like them short, get one of these. This would help you create a beautiful arrangement. They also have this in gold as well. If you don't want to get a big plant pot and you're not someone who is a fan of like big flower vases, just get this. Just have a little corner in your house, you know, that you're able to bring the summer, spring in. Yeah, that's just me going around looking at the beddings and stuff. They have good beddings. Oh my god, I've bought like 4 of these, giving it to everybody I know. Yeah, they're classic. And they had some also nice PJs where that I haven't tried before, but they do look and feel great. Yeah, I wouldn't knock out the H&M candles as well. They're okay, you know, they're not bad, so give them a try as well.
And if you like this video, please subscribe and share. And also, you know, have a look at some of our other videos on Servinists.